Alright guys, so today's video is about the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro rings. I'll be explaining to you what this ring stands for and how you can make use of them. I've been wearing the Oraimo watches for close to 2 years now, and I can tell you what is really going on with these rings. These rings only moves or read when you wear your Oraimo watch on your wrist. You'll be using the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro as an example, and this is a smartwatch you can use to listen to music during exercise, and all this I'll be sharing with you in this video. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel for interesting videos like this, and without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So you can see we have 3 rings on our smartwatch here, which is the green, the orange or sort of red, and blue. Now the green one stands for steps of the watch. It is the daily step count or the number of steps resulted from activities you perform in 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is going to reset itself. Such activities include your normal walking or running or moving here and there, and if you are doing your exercise in the exercise mode, it will record this, and that is it. The next ring on the watch is the orange one, which stands for the calorie burn. The calorie burn actually means the unit of energy consumed. To make you further understand this is the energy you get from the food that you eat and the drinks that you take. So your body uses calories to do everything, even when we were sleeping. You can also see this calorie measurement on your food and drink stickers. All these are good in case you want to lose weight. Now the calorie burn we are talking about here is the estimate of the ones that you use during movement or exercises. For more information about this, you can check your Oraimo Health app or check the description box below for references. The third ring, which is the blue one, stands for activity duration. This is a little bit complicated. It has a default setting of 30 minutes and you can increase it to 60 minutes if you wish. I noticed the blue ring grows faster if you are using it for the exercise mode on your smartwatch. But if you are just walking or moving here and there, it grows slowly. For example, you did an exercise for 25 minutes using the exercise mode on your Oraimo watch. 25 minutes is going to be added to your blue ring on your Oraimo watch. And sometimes if you are walking on the road, the Oraimo watch can sense your higher bitrate, so it's going to ask you, do you want this to be counted as exercise? And this I find very useful. The Oraimo Health app shows you every details of the ring and everything you need to know about each of these parameters. You can also see an estimate distance you covered by walking or running or cycling. This app actually keeps the record of everything you do in as much you have the Oraimo watch on your wrist. This reason separates a good smartwatch from the others with fake sensors and calculations. During exercise mode, Oraimo watch shows you your heart rate with colors under the figures. The blue color stands for the lowest heart rate, the green one stands for the moderate heart rate, while the red stands for the highest. And at this point, you need to slow down a bit. Find balance between the blue and the green and you are good to go. You can also use the music feature to switch between your music playlist and enjoy your favorite tracks while exercising. And in case you didn't bring along your smartphone during your exercise, you can use the watch only. And when you get home later on, you can sync up the data by just launching the Oraimo Health app. Every goal on these Oraimo smartwatches can be changed to anyone that pleases you. But most times, I use the default goals on the Oraimo watch because it is good for most ages. I like my Oraimo Watch 2 Pro because it gives me an exact or close to accurate information about the things that go on in my body. With this Oraimo watch, it will help you to live and achieve a healthy lifestyle. And if you have any question, please let me know down there in the comment section and I'm going to reply you, be it on the Oraimo smartwatches or the Oraimo Health app or Jawwear 2 app. And if you want to get one, please check down in the description box for the discount code. I'll see you in the video showing right on your screen. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.